Hello again and welcome to Sometime 3. Today we're working with page 18 and the lesson is called Fractions 15. Now today we're going to talk about a different way of making equivalent fractions. But before we do that, I have to explain to you two difficult words. Now you know in a fraction you have two numbers, one on the top and one on the bottom, like 1/3. The number below the bar, the one on the bottom, is called the denominator, and that number tells you how many equal parts there are. The number above the bar is called the numerator, and that tells you how many of these parts we're using. So if, for example, I show you the fraction 1/3, 3 is the denominator. It tells you that we've divided it into 3 equal parts. And the 1 is the numerator. It tells you how many of these parts we're actually using. So if I write 2/6, the denominator is 6, we've divided it into 6 equal parts, and 2 is the numerator, we're using 2 of those parts. Sorry about that, but you need these words sometimes. Now then, as you know, we can use pictures to show equivalent fractions. Look at these 4 equivalent fractions. 1/3 is the same as 2/6, is the same as 4/12, is the same as 8/4. Look at this picture. 1/3 of the block is colored green. Look at this picture. 2/6 are colored purple. Look at this picture. 4/12 are colored orange. And the final picture, 8/24 are colored yellow. We can also make equivalent fractions by multiplying the denominator and the numerator by the same number. Look at this. 2/3, that's 2/3. Now if we multiply the denominator and the numerator by 2, like this, 2 times 2 and 3 times 2, we get 4/6. So we can say 2/3 is the same as 4/6, or 2/3 is the same as 4/6. Look at one more. 3/5 equals 9/what? Well, to solve that problem, how many times do you multiply 3 to get 9? 3 times 3 is 9. So we must multiply the 5 by 3 as well. 3 times 5 is 15. So you can say 3/5 is the same as 9/15. 3/5 is the same as 9/15. That's all for now. See you again soon.